Here we go. Got something, some signs of life. Hey guys, what's going on? Bringing another video today on the channel. Remember to hit the like button and remember to subscribe down below to stay up to date on all the cars that we're working on. So got some good updates and bad updates today for you. Also got my buddy S197 Chris. Gonna list him here below on the bottom and gonna give you a little bit more detail on what's going on with our project. Okay guys, so first thing to start is we've got the battery connected. So we have power all the way to the alternator like so. So thank you, Chris, greatly appreciate it. We're working to get these white clips that pop on, which then connects to the heater core so our car can have heat in this upcoming winter. Next, we've got the new ECU plugged in, ready to go. Everything's wired in. Nice little touch by myself. All right. Next on the list, we have the hardware coming in for the power steering pulley to keep it in place. Got the quick connect that we're gonna have to deal with because it will prime and then fuel comes out, but hopefully it's gonna not catch too much. Also, in addition, we have the new Roush belt tensioner. So this is the coolant hose. Chris was able to put this on, and you'll notice it's the 07 Plus coolant crossover. 0506, So that's also an update as to what we have going on here. Dash is lit, got readings. So we have power. Power is definitely here. So we have about almost half a tank with a mixture of some old fuel, new fuel, octane booster, and we're almost there. We're really almost there. So the biggest hiccup in this whole process has been the hardware to the back of the motor. So in the back of the motor, there's bolts that we need. So anyway, we have bolts that are coming in, got hardware coming in. Ultimately, I needed hardware that's like so. This is M10 by 1.5. However, it's just too long for what I need. And when it went through to the transmission bell housing, it only took up that much. So I have this much unanswered. But we have power. And we're almost there. We're almost there. Key fob works, key works in the ignition, and that's it so far. But the doors will work, and the key fob works completely. Well guys, I couldn't be more excited that the car has power, the battery harness is connected, the alternator is connected to the engine harness and all that sort of fun stuff. So next on the workload is to get everything else clicked in. So we've got the quick connect fuel line that's got to get plugged in. Got the power steering pulley that we got to mount. Got the hardware coming in. And when that comes in, I'm going to thank my buddy who helped me get that stuff, as well as the other shop in Missouri that helped me get the other parts that I needed. And after that, shouldn't be much issue. Everything should be pretty much good to go. So we're almost there. We're getting very, very close. Reason I needed a whole bunch of hardware is because the guy who took the motor and the trans out from the car when it was stock, I don't know where he put the hardware. He must have taken it. He probably used it on his own stuff that he was rebuilding 15 times because he was just so busy he couldn't do this process in, you know, a month to 3 months, and it's been 14 months, and the only thing he was able to do was drop the motor into the car, and that's it. So we're getting much closer, and if need be, and I can't have the transmission put on, I've been offered options to get it taken care of, and if I need those options, then I'll take it just to get this car completed. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.